Hello everyone and welcome back to Conn. So today we will be discussing about how to create a dumbbell chart. So dumbbell charts also known as DNA charts and it is used to measure difference between 2 points. Okay. So let's start. First we will do the bar chart. So for this I'll just pick up sales into column and product subcategory into rows. Okay. So this is the simple bar chart, right? So in dumbbell in both sides we have circle and in between we have a line, right? So now for dual axis I'll just drag and drop one more cell into column and click on this drop down and make this as dual axis. Okay. So what I'll do is I'm trying to measure the cell between the quarters. Okay. So for this I'll just drag and drop order date into filter. Okay. For quarters I'll just click on quarters and I'll just click on Q1 and Q2, then apply, then OK. Okay. So the data which you see now is for 2 quarters. Since all the charts are right now are circles, so I'll select the first sum of cells. Okay. And I'll just select this order date and drop into color. Okay. Then as you are doing for quarters, so right click on this year and click on quarters. Okay. So you can see my right hand side Q1 is for blue color and Q2 is for orange color, right? So now here are 2 circles and now my job is to create a line in between, right? So click on second sum. Okay. Instead of automatic, let's click on line. Okay. So the line is connecting between all the subcategory, not in between the circle, right? But actually we need to create a line which connect between the circle. So for this, just drag and drop order date into path. Okay. And click on year, right click on clear and click on quarter. See, this is the dumbbell chart, right? So if you want to increase the size also, you can increase a little bit. Yeah. Okay. So let's swap this sum of cell into first one. Okay. Yeah, it looks good. Why? Because now the circle will come in the front and the line will go in the back. Okay. Now observe the chart. So let's check for this one, storage and organization. Okay. So you can see the quarter 1 sale was 46,837, which is in blue color, and the quarter 2 sale was 1,30,581, which is a orange color. Okay. So the sale have increased to 46,000 to 1,30,000. So you see almost 85 to 90,000 gap. That's why it has a bigger line, right? On the other hand, you can check for office furnishing, which was the quarter 1 was for 45,646 and the quarter 2 was for 52,425. The gap was almost 7,000. That's why it has the smaller line. Okay. So you can see almost everywhere the chart start from blue color and ends on orange one. But here you can see this one, the office machines one, the chart was starts for Q2 and ends in Q1, right? The orange one is the starting line and the blue one is the ending line, right? It's why? Because you can see in quarter 2 the sale was 1,13,118 and the quarter 1 the sale was 2,05,052, right? So it's almost 1 lakh sale have come down into quarter 2. That's why the orange one comes first and the blue one comes last. Okay. So whenever you see the blue color first and the orange one last, that means the sales are incremented. Okay. And whenever you see the orange color first and the blue color last, that means the sales are decremented. You can see here also the compare and facts one. The orange color comes first, which was in the quarter 2, the sale was 47,634, and in the quarter 1, the sale was 51,435, which is almost 4,000 of sales come down. Okay. So in this way, through Dumbbell chart, you can see the comparison and how much is the comparison, whether it is decremented or it is incremented. Okay. So I hope you have understood how to create a Dumbbell chart. Let's rename the chart. If you want, then you can also change the background color. Apply. Okay. I'll just bold this one also. So that's all for this video. Thank you.
So after the video is over, I will ask questions. So to answer, open my channel and go to the community section and answer all these quiz so that I will know how much you have understood. And if you like my video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.